No, keep going. Keep going. Listen, I love it. They're still going. Good for them. How many of you have a voice in your head? How many of you have a voice in your head and that voice talks at you, evaluates you, judges you, compares you to other people, tells you you have at least 1 pound of weight to lose every single day of your life? And then a second voice kicks on, and that voice goes, why are you being so mean to this person? They're doing the best that they can. And the third voice goes, who is everybody in here? And everybody, get out! So I want you to be present to that voice during the evening and tomorrow, because we haven't been taught what's so important that I learned 20 years ago. The voice in your head is not your conscious. The voice in your head is not something that all of a sudden you hear it and then you're like, yeah. How many of you hear a voice in your head and then you just agree with it, even though you know it's bad information? So just noticing what happens throughout the evening will have you be able to choose, does the voice in your head and listening to it benefit me? Or maybe there are other parts of our bodies that we can make decisions from. How many of you have ever made a decision with your heart? How many of you have ever made a decision with your gut or with your body? How did those decisions turn out? How many of you have made a decision with your brain and it didn't really turn out the way that we wanted it to? So let's watch a video. And by the way, I'm going to apologize right off the bat. There will be no PowerPoints this evening or tomorrow. Is that okay with you? Okay.